Now let's import the building inside Unreal. I showed you how to import the stuff, but here I will show you how to add the material to your object, because when you're importing something from Sketchfab, it's coming without materials inside, and we have to build the material by ourselves. So I will show you how to do it. So here is our Sketchfab asset folder. Inside I will make a new folder, and it will be new folder 1. And here now let's drag and drop our exported asset from Blender. So here you have to click combine meshes. I think when you make it for first time, here it will be disabled. So you have to check it to make it enable and to click import. Oh, now we are ready. And here what we have to do. This is our building, and you can see it's small, but we can, of course, we can scale it from here, and it's only white. So we have to add the materials which are in the pack. So let's go again inside the folder of this Game Ready City Buildings, textures, and here there are 3 textures. So we have to select them and to drag and drop as well inside the project in the content jar folder. And now you can see, so the building, it's coming with 1 material, this Atlas white material on the left side. So let's, okay, one of this stuff, it's missing. I will fail it to import. Why it's failed? Maybe because we have it here already, that's it. I imported it before. I will move it here. Okay, it's not possible. Okay, I will use it from here. It's not a problem. So let's go here. Let's open this material, and you can see it's a white cover only. So I will delete this one. We open the content drawer, and we'll start drag and drop all of these textures inside the material. So this is a metalness. So we have to click on this RGB and to connect it to the metallic here. So after that, let's see this. Here it's roughness. So we have to connect it with the roughness here. And now content drawer, the Atlas first. This is the basic color, and we have to connect it with the base color here. And now let's click save. Let's close it, and now you can see we have a material on our building. Perfect. And now we can place it somewhere here, for example, to scale it a lot. And from here you can see there's a big building outside the layer, and it will look good inside our cinematic. So this is how you can add the materials to your object from Sketchfab. Anytime you're downloading something from Sketchfab, you have to do this with the material, because they are coming with the light material only. It's really rare to find an asset which is only and directly with the materials from the preview in Sketchfab. So this is the way. And for the other buildings, for the other assets which we showed you, this building and this one too, you can see here it's the same. So you have to make the materials to place these textures inside, to save it, and just to when you're inside your building, for example, you have to come here, for example, to find your material here, Atlas, and to click the arrow here and to change it with this one. And that's it. I'm pretty sure you understand me, guys. So, and you will do it without any problems. And that's it for the materials.